Do you have a collection? Many of us collect things. But did you know that sometimes your collection can reflect what you feel you're missing from life? For example, I used to collect angels. Now, I didn't start my collection until after I was a victim of a violent crime when I was living out in Los Angeles. To me, angels represent protection and love. And right after that happened, that's what I felt I really needed. I needed protection and love. And so I'd have angels everywhere. The first angel that I got, I put over my door, and then I would have them in every room. Now, I still have my angels because I really love them and they bring me a lot of joy, but I've stopped the need to collect or feel like I have to have an angel in every corner of the house. So I want you to think for a moment. Do you have a collection? Could there be a deeper meaning behind the collection? So just take a moment to consider and remember that many times what you collect represents what you feel you're missing from life. Clear your clutter to create the life you choose, deserve, and desire.